What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the Bitforge. So I have the Dune page right here, and we also going to review the smart contracts. Let's see how the project is doing. So if you're not familiar with Bitforge it's BTC mining and decentralized that offers you 2%, roughly 2% daily passive income. Okay, so how to get started with this project? First of all, you need a wallet, either Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, Rabbit wallet. Okay, down here we got the step-by-steps. Okay, so inside your wallet, you need USDC or USDT. Then when you have the funds available in your wallet, you click this button right here and it will take you to the dashboards. Okay, over here on the dashboard, you scroll down, you can see that we have two contracts. Okay, so two mining. So you either deposit USDC, the minimum is 50 USDC, or you deposit in USDT and the minimum investment is 1 USDC. So once you make your deposit, you'll have to approve and then you will have to deposit. Okay, so once deposit goes through, you will start earning your passive income. So your passive income will be right here, depending on the contract that you decided to roll. Okay, and whenever you're ready to claim, come over here, hit claim, pay the gas fee, and that's it. So after 25 days, your contract will expire. So after 25 days, you will be able to withdraw your initial investment. So the contract, the deposit will be right here, and then after 25 days, the claim button will be available. Okay, so let's go over to the Dune page, right? So this is the Dune page, and over here shows you the overall investments from USDC and USDT contracts. Okay, so total deposits or active deposits, 209,000 bucks. Okay, so the contract balance has 169K. So if you come over here to the smart contracts, we can see that one contract has 78.4K and the other contract has 91.6K. So if you add those two, it will give you 169. The project has been live for 41 days. Okay, so that means the people that joined in the beginning, they already cashed out if they decided to. So the 25 days are expired, and majority of them, if they did so, okay, they are out by now. But you know, as you can see right here, a lot of people still in, right? So total claim only 34K out of 209 209,000 deposited. Okay, so that's a lot. Excuse me, guys. That means majority of the people are still in the project even after 25 days. Okay. Total referral bonus 5.6K and total wallets 564 wallets. Scrolling further down, we can see the inflow versus outflow. And from what we can see right here, you know, we see more money going in, that less money going out. Okay, and less money going out. So over here we can see the new wallets. All right, so it started with 6 wallets, 8, 19, and slowly it's picking up. Okay, slowly we see more and more wallets coming in. And down here we can see the inflow versus outflows, and we can see the top wallets, how far they are to ROI, etc. Okay, you can scroll all the way and see, you know, every single wallet that's invested in the project. Okay, so let's go over to the smart contract. So this USDC, which one? Well, I don't know which one is the USDC, but never mind. So like I said, 78.4K, right? So we can see investments, people are claiming rewards, etc. Come over here to the analytics and we can see what's up. I like to see the analytics because analytics give us an idea about how the smart contract is doing. Yeah, so over here in analytics, we can see the total balance. So this is actually the first smart contract, okay? And it's still growing, okay? Even after 40 something days, 41 days, the smart contract still growing. So let's zoom in and let's see from the past month what happened, okay? So from the 4th of May, April, we had like 9.4K, and now Today is the 3rd of May. We have 76.5K. Okay, so it's good to see. That means that, you know, the team must be doing something right. Okay, so over here on the token amounts, we can see the money going in, money going out. So let's go again, 3rd of April. And we can see that the money going out is way less than the money going in. Okay, so that means there is more money going in than money going out, right? So hence the smart contract going up. So let's have a look at the other smart contracts. Okay, so this one, it's the last smart contract, so it's the USDT smart contract. Let's have a quick look at the analytics, and then again we can see a growth. Okay, we can see a growth, even though, so this one was deployed, the smart contract was deployed on the 3rd or 2nd of April. Okay, so it's been more than 25 days, and as you can see, you know, people claim obviously, but the contract still on a steady growth. Okay, then again, the green, it's the money, the blue, it's the money going out. The black, it's the money going in. So you can see way more money going in than money going out. Okay, so I don't know what the team behind this project are doing, but they must be doing something right because both contracts are growing. Okay, the TG is also growing. They have 3.9 thousand members. Okay, currently 194 online, and over here is where you can ask questions about the projects and how everything is going. Okay, guys, so that's my update and review about Bitforge. Okay, so yeah, the project still up and running, still doing its thing. Okay, guys, so if you are looking to invest in this project or any DeFi project, okay, please do your own research. Come over here to the white paper, make sure that you fully understand the risks, okay, and also the rewards. Okay, only invest risk capital because we don't know what's going to happen today, tomorrow, next week, or next month. Okay, so everything or majority of the projects in DeFi are risky, so please go with caution. That being said, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.